On to some news coming in from the United States. An Amtrak train headed to New York City derailed in Philadelphia. At least 5 people are presumed to be dead and several injured in the train accident. An Amtrak passenger train was traveling from Washington, D.C. to New York City and may have had as many as 240 people on board. 50 of them reportedly injured were rushed to the hospital. Roads all around the crash site have been blocked off, ruling out any indication of a terrorist activity. The cause of the derailment is still not known. But now Amtrak has cancelled all service between New York for the rest of this evening. We're joined in by Maha Siddiqui at this moment. Maha, are we aware or do we know as to what was the reason why this derailment actually took place? What are the agencies and the reports actually suggesting?
Sanket, the actual reason for the derailment is not yet known, but one thing is clear, that at this moment they have kind of in many ways ruled out a terror attack. And though a lot of people have been injured in this, around 50 people have been injured, and the reports that are coming in from the US also suggest that 5 people could have been killed in this incident. It's an unfortunate incident where one coach of the Amtrak's train derailed, and this train was going from Washington to New York City, and it is around Philadelphia that this derailment happened. At the moment, all services from Philadelphia to New York City have been cut off on that line. However, rescue and relief operations are on. People were a little aghast when this sort of thing happened, because it's a rarity really that things go technically wrong in a country like the US. So there were lots of tweets of people who were aghast at the scene over there, who were present in that train, and when they saw those injured and being rushed to the hospital, they sent out tweets of feeling a little scared. Also because terrorism is on top of most people's mind, in the US at least, when an incident like this takes place. But at the moment, there is no confirmation on how this derailment happened, and for the moment, the terror angles will be probed. It's not really being considered, so to speak.
That's right, Maha Siddiqui, many thanks for joining us at this moment.